SANY Concrete Pump Truck. Astonished SANY Super Pump Truck creates a new Guinness World Record of 86 meters and grasps the world's most advanced pump technology. Incomparable, reliable properties. SANY Super Pump Truck. SANY has already formed a strong supply capability of 25 to 86 meters. All series concrete pump trucks. New industry-leading technology. Provides great safeguards for pumping construction. Large pump displacement, high pressure, low wearing. On the premise of raising the pump displacement, we lower the directional control in unit time, reduce the friction of wearing parts and operating cost, and thus improve economic performance. Flexible installing reduces the impact of under frame and piston, making the maintenance more convenient. Original automatic retraction of concrete double piston function makes it easier for daily maintenance. Intelligent boom system upgrades its safety and human-oriented operation. The adoption of the anti-tilting control technology improves intelligent level of the pump and enhances its safety performance. New type of electronic control system contributes to easier operation, strong maintainability, and more reliable system operation. Self-diagnosis system enables to have the real-time conditions in time at any moment and expel the breakdown efficiently.